Welcome to our fun and colorful adventure of learning numbers from 1 to 20. But first, let's learn 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go! Number 1. One cute cat. Number 2. 2 pretty flowers. Number 3. 3 colorful balloons. Number 4. 4 books on the shelf. Number 5. 5 shiny seashells. Number 6. 6 beautiful butterflies. Number 7. 7 tall trees. Number 8. 8 twinkling stars. Number 9. 9 long pencils. Number 10. 10 fun party hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's have some fun practicing what we've learned. Count the pictures in the box and see if you can find the matching numeral for this number of objects. Count how many teddy bears are in the box. Correct! There are 5 teddy bears. Count how many suns you see in the box. You are incredible! There are 8 smiling suns. How many guitars do you see? Amazing! You counted correctly. There are 4 guitars in the box. Great job, everyone! You learned the numbers from 1 to 10. Don't forget to watch part 2 of this video to learn numbers 11 to 20. See you next time, little scholars! Hey there! Did you have fun learning with us today? If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning. By liking our videos, you help us know what you enjoy learning about. And subscribing means you won't miss out on any of our awesome educational content. See you again next time here at Little Scholars Network. Until then, keep curious and keep exploring.